we gonna go? Whoa, there.
Say hi.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds.
Oh yeah? Wow. I think we're gonna leave here tonight. Yeah. This PlayStation. You have Minecraft, Roblox.
Oh, there's a Roblox. You can ask her.
What do you have there? Oh, you have Legos. Love, you have like this, right? The Hot Wheels? Oh, that's a different one. Thank you po. Somebody's happy. JD, hi. Bye. Bye-bye. We're gonna leave you here. Enjoy, love. Room tour. On the right. Toilet. Let's go. Okay. And then the other one, itong shower. Then other area at ang kanilang bathtub. See? Ito na tayo. Let's go to the room. Cutie. We set up this one for our baby love. Ayan. Cute ang area nito. Tapos, let's go outside sa balcony. Ito. Ay. Ay, Dad, how is it? How do you do this, Dad? Paano ito? Yee! Ito ang kanyang balcony. Nice. And the view. Here's the sea view. So, maganda ito bukas ng umaga. Time check, it's 5:15. Nice. Nice.
And open.
So heavy. Wow.
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 Okay.
What does it say there?
Yeah.
Here.
Huh? I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna eat na.
What?
Look, love. JD.
What? Wow.
Hey.
Ooh. Wow.
Hey.
Ganda naman.
Don't touch that. That's ashtray for cigarette.
Ganda naman. Daddy,
Hmm.
maybe you can sleep there.
I will sleep there.
If Daddy John came, it's nice if Daddy John came. So peaceful.
Hmm?
So peaceful.
What's it? Okay.
It's so peaceful.
Yeah, who will
Peaceful.
come?
Nice.
If Daddy John and Auntie came, it would be nice.
Mm.
The moon's moving.
Did you like our room?
Ang ganda naman.
Ang ganda naman. How about the bed? What can you say about the bed?
Beautiful.
Wow.
Why did you design like this?
So nice. Morning!
Good morning.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Nag-jogging ka doon?
Hindi.
Ba't di ka nagpunta doon?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Nag-jogging ka. Maganda nga doon, oh.
Tomorrow, I still have another one. Good morning, love, love. Happy birthday.
Morning, birthday boy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear JD. We love you. Let's have fun today.
let's go to water park.
Yeah.
High five.
High five.
No, what is it?
Okay, high five. Oh, sobrang laki nitong resort na to. Meron pang mga small shops like Kulud Pharmacy, some boutique. Oh, may photo memories. May internet cafe. Ooh, that's cool. And a lot more. Yeah. So let's go. Birthday boy, let's go and have breakfast. Kitty, hi.
We'll do it, turn down.
Here we go. Sa kanya po ang sang.
Thank you. Yeah.
Breakfast time. Baby. Grabe, dami mo na nakain na. Ayun o, isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Papabalki tayo, more protein. Carbs.
Gini.
Didn't see it. Okay, let's see. This is how many gifts?
JD.
Yung blow candle mo na. Blow mo na siya candle.
Yeah. Daddy. Larry, JD. You like it?
Sonic Books.
Wow. Okay, change muna.
I wanna open it. I love you too much that you cannot even count how much this is.
Only Daddy?
Yeah, he will.
I wasn't looking at that, but.
Blow yung candle pa pala.
Huh?
Ay, blow na. Candle of your cake.
Wow, wow, wow.
You will wish, then you will blow the candle. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday, happy birthday.
Happy
Okay.
birthday, JD.
I wish that I
Keep
would
it to yourself. You pray to God for your wishes.
I wish that I would have a Lamborghini before.
Okay.
Mommy, come here.
It's okay, I'm gonna sit here at the back.
Okay, mommy?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go.
Seven. Wow. You're a grown-up boy now, Yay! Woo! What do you say? Ah, thank you. Hello. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Are you ready, love? Okay, go. Go, run, run, run. Run there. Run, JV, go. Oh, go, go, go. Dad, sunduin mo daw siya. Run, run, love, run. sa ulan eh. Kasi naulan sa Doha eh.
Kiri! Which one?
Mag-try tayo sa taas.
Uh,
I want JD to try also the...
well, JD is...
Handle. That's the next level slide, JD. You can do it. Huh? There, that one. Ah, there's a big boat. Go inside the boat. Oh, woo! Someone, don't run. Yes, JD will try the next level slide. You slide with the water. It's different in the part, right, JD? Oh, check your subscriber. Your subscriber. Which one you will try first? Ah, there's a small bucket. Ah, I think that one JD can do it na.
Where's JD? Uh-oh.
Alis ka daw muna dyan.
Where are we at?
We are here.
Oh,
The falls.
Lazy River Sea Cave. Saan tayo kanina? Teral Cafe.
There's a kids adventure course. Ay, ayan pa rin sarado.
Ayan yung wave pool tayo pala. Surf Dune. Sa kabila lang pala yung Surf Dune.
Doon tayo sa Super Bowl.
Wizard Mat Racer. Doon tayo, Dad. Let's go.
Let's skating rapids. Let's try that one. The biggest. Let's stop. That's why.
Daddy and mommy is what? Again, can you say again, love? Daddy and?
Daddy and you made my that you both made my birthday very special.
So we are? Huh? You said earlier, we are? The?
You both are the best.
Ah, love you!
Love you.
What do you have there? Ano yan? She's tawok. What's in here? Nothing?
What's this
Chicken.
chicken? This is salana. Oh,
Can you open that?
yeah, it's a fishy. That is on there. Masala, chicken curry. Ang dami niya, ang bango ah.
Lamb biryani.
Mutton fry.
Chicken curry. You have chicken biryani? Only lamb? Only lamb. Thank you. What's that lamb?
Kung pao chicken.
Ah, okay.
So slowly we are opening. Like once you get busy, we will open all the things.
Garlic fried rice, you want?
Because this
What else? Saffron rice. Steamed rice. Ano to? Ah, okay. Bigat. What else, Dad? Shawarma section. Shawarma. Dessert. What's in here? Oh. Dinner time. Okay. So by far, which one is your favorite part of your birthday staycation celebration?
You and Daddy.
That's so
Sweet naman.
Wait.
Apart from that, what else?
Hotel.
The activities that you did there.
Kids.
Kids club? Not the desert club?
What's this?
Like, which one is the top one?
Wave.
Okay.
It was. No. I look like this one. I'll go to the. I'll go to the high, and low, and then the wave comes.
You stop the wave?
Because the wave is pushing you forward like that.
Sometimes it sounds.
What is it?
Yeah.
But I saw you were from.
Yeah.
How about in the room?
Room. The happy birthday on the bed.
The
My
greeting.
cake. And also.
What?
There. Move there so I can.
Huh?
Move there. They cannot see you.
Okay.
7,500,000 HP.
Oh, that's so big.
5 million HP.
Move back ikaw.
10 million HP. 1 million HP. 8,500 HP. 300 HP. Done.
Yeah, so you're happy?
Yeah.
What do you have?
Caramel, vanilla, and caramel.
Brekkie. The birthday boy is enjoying the sun. Hindi na talaga mahila. I don't know if you're gonna like it, but I like it. Here we go again, second day dito sa Desert Falls Water Park. Let's go! Hey, Dad! Say hi! Chilling at chilling lang dito muna. wala na kaming energy mag-ride. Ayun ang bata, oh. Nandun lang siya sa kanyang favorite spot. Kami dito, higa-higa muna. Baka mamaya kami mag-ride. Mahaba pa naman yung ride. So yeah, enjoyin. Ano ko ba na?
Para may kasama yung bata.
Okay.
Pwede naman mo lang dapat yun.
Of course! Uy, wag ka mag-ibag! Bag niya. Ay, grabe. Lexi. Bye, enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, make a wish. What's your wish? What is your wish?
Make a wish and then
Don't
blow.
cry.
Jade, I can see your tears. It's here.
Don't tell us your wish. Keep it to yourself.
Keep it secret.
I don't know.
Okay, blow now.
After you wish, you blow the candle.
I don't know.
Oh, it's
It's okay,
okay.
just
Blow
in your
na.
mind lang.
I don't know.
In your mind lang.
It's fine. Blow
Oh,
now.
then you
Blow now the candle.
Ah.